Every year, millions of cars roll into inspection lanes around the world. Some are new, some are old, some look perfect. Your car goes on the lift, the inspector checks the same critical points, and at the end, there's only one result: pass or fail. Over 10 million vehicles go through this system every year. Not opinions, not reviews, just defects that can't be argued with. And when you step back and look at the data over time, a strange pattern appears. Some of the simplest, cheapest Volkswagens keep passing these inspections again and again, while newer, more expensive models quietly start failing sooner than expected. These aren't garage queens or collector cars. They're daily drivers, school runs, commutes, highway miles, and the inspection numbers suggest that a few unglamorous Volkswagens are far more likely to survive 300,000 kilometers than cars most people assume are safer, because they're newer. In this video, we're breaking down the Volkswagen models that inspection data consistently favors worldwide. And one of them directly embarrasses a much newer VW that buyers across Europe and the US tend to trust without question. Stay until the end, because one of these cars keeps passing inspections while costing thousands less per year to keep alive than its modern replacement. And if you care more about long-term survival than marketing promises, subscribe. Let's start with the first Volkswagen that keeps coming back with a clean pass: Volkswagen T-Roc. According to TÜV inspection data, the Volkswagen T-Roc sits among the best-performing compact SUVs when it comes to serious defect rates. In the 2 to 3 year inspection cohort, the TÜV report places the T-Roc in the top tier of its segment, with serious defect figures remaining in the low single-digit range depending on version and production year. That is significant because compact SUVs usually perform worse than hatchbacks due to higher weight, taller suspension geometry, and increased stress on brakes and chassis components. Seeing an SUV consistently stay near the bottom of the defect charts is not normal. Most of the issues flagged during TÜV inspections are minor, typically lighting adjustments or wheel alignment, rather than structural, braking, or drivetrain-related failures. This pattern suggests controlled wear instead of fundamental weakness. Mechanically, the T-Roc benefits heavily from the MQB platform, which Volkswagen has refined across tens of millions of vehicles worldwide. Suspension layouts, braking systems, and chassis components are well proven and widely understood by workshops. Lower TÜV defect rates strongly suggest fewer brake, suspension, and structural issues developing as mileage increases. In simpler configurations, especially without overly complex drivetrains or transmissions, the T-Roc shows inspection behavior normally associated with cars that survive long-term ownership. For a compact SUV, TÜV data suggests the T-Roc ages far better than most people expect. Volkswagen Golf Sports Van. The Golf Sports Van is one of the strongest performing Volkswagens in the TÜV 4 to 5 year age group. In that cohort, where many modern cars begin to show serious suspension wear and braking defects, the sports van consistently ranks above the VW average and ahead of several newer Golf derivatives. TÜV data shows its serious defect rate remains clearly below the segment mean, which is exactly what you want when evaluating long-term durability. This is the age where real engineering quality starts to separate from marketing promises. The sports van's formula is simple: Golf mechanics, slightly softer suspension tuning, and less stress on components than heavier SUVs. TÜV inspections repeatedly reward cars that avoid unnecessary weight and complexity. Common inspection failures are typically wear items rather than major faults, indicating predictable aging rather than structural weakness. Low serious defect percentages at this stage strongly correlate with cars that comfortably push toward 300,000 kilometers under normal maintenance. The sports van may be invisible on the used market, but TÜV data quietly paints it as one of Volkswagen's most durable modern platforms. Volkswagen T-Cross. The Volkswagen T-Cross performs unusually well in TÜV inspections for a young compact SUV. In the 2 to 3 year age group, TÜV data shows the T-Cross with relatively low rates of serious defects compared to other small SUVs, a segment that normally struggles early with suspension wear, brake issues, and wheel alignment problems. That early performance is important. How a car behaves in its first inspection cycles often predicts how it will age later. Lower early defect rates suggest fewer structural and chassis problems developing as mileage accumulates. The T-Cross benefits from being lighter than most SUVs in its class and mechanically simpler in its basic configurations. That directly reduces long-term stress on suspension components, brakes, steering systems, and wheel bearings. Less weight and fewer stressed parts usually translate into fewer inspection failures over time. Built on the MQB A0 platform, it shares a large number of proven components with the Polo and Ibiza, platforms that already have a solid track record in TÜV inspections. TÜV trends consistently show that lighter vehicles with simpler mechanical layouts age more predictably than heavier, over-engineered alternatives. This is exactly the profile the T-Cross fits when properly configured. As long as complexity is kept in check, the inspection data suggests it has a realistic chance of long-term durability. For buyers chasing high mileage rather than fashion, TÜV results quietly point to the T-Cross as a safer bet than it looks. Volkswagen e-Golf. The Volkswagen e-Golf stands out in TÜV data by showing lower serious defect rates than many other electric vehicles. In the 2 to 3 and 4 to 5 year TÜV age cohorts, the e-Golf performs better than average for EVs, a segment that often struggles early with suspension wear, braking irregularities, and software-related inspection issues. One reason is simple and very unglamorous. The e-Golf is built on the same proven Golf platform that has already survived decades of inspection data. Unlike ground-up EV designs, it keeps conventional suspension geometry, familiar braking systems, and a structural layout inspectors already know well. The electric drivetrain also plays in its favor. With fewer moving parts compared to combustion engines, there are fewer mechanical failure points likely to trigger serious inspection faults. TÜV data suggests the e-Golf avoids many of the early aging problems seen in newer, more complex electric cars. Most recorded defects tend to be minor rather than structural or drivetrain related, which is a critical distinction for long-term ownership. For an EV, consistently low serious defect rates strongly indicate long-term robustness. It may not be exciting or futuristic, but from an inspection standpoint, the e-Golf remains one of the safest and most conservative electric bets Volkswagen has ever made. Volkswagen Polo. The Volkswagen Polo has one of the longest and most consistent records of performing better than the TÜV average for serious defects, especially in the early and mid stages of ownership. In the 2 to 3 and 4 to 5 year inspection cohorts, where many small cars begin to show early signs of suspension fatigue, braking wear, and alignment problems, the Polo repeatedly scores above expectations. That matters because this phase often determines whether a car will age gracefully or become a money pit later. Consistent inspection results across multiple years indicate controlled, predictable aging, rather than sudden mechanical failures. Much of the Polo's strength comes from deliberate engineering restraint. Naturally aspirated petrol engines and manual gearboxes avoid many of the failure points introduced by turbocharging, high thermal stress, complex emission systems, and automated transmissions. Fewer stressed components means fewer opportunities for serious defects to develop as mileage climbs. The Polo is also relatively light, which reduces long-term strain on brakes, suspension components, wheel bearings, and steering systems, areas frequently flagged during TÜV inspections. Another key factor is ecosystem. Parts availability across Europe is enormous, prices are reasonable, and repair procedures are well understood by independent workshops. Easy repairs and affordable maintenance directly influence how well cars survive repeated inspections. Owners are more likely to fix issues properly rather than postpone them. TÜV inspection trends consistently favor vehicles built around proven engines, conservative tuning, and incremental development rather than experimental technology. That philosophy defines the Polo more clearly than almost any other modern Volkswagen. For buyers aiming at extreme longevity rather than short-term ownership, the Polo checks every important box. Inspection data strongly suggests it is one of the most realistic Volkswagens for reaching 300,000 kilometers without drama. Not because it is exciting, but because it is honest, mechanically restrained, and engineered to survive daily use year after year. Volkswagen Touareg. The Volkswagen Touareg performs better than expected in TÜV inspections for a large, heavy SUV, especially in older age groups. In the over 10-year category, where many big SUVs begin to suffer from structural fatigue, suspension collapse, and braking issues, the Touareg maintains defect rates that remain reasonable for its size and complexity. That alone is notable. Large SUVs usually sink toward the bottom of TÜV rankings as age and mileage increase. The Touareg avoids that pattern thanks to a fundamentally robust chassis, heavy-duty suspension components, and engineering originally intended for long-distance, high-load use rather than short-term trends. Many inspection failures recorded are wear-related rather than structural or drivetrain critical, which points to durability instead of inherent weakness. This distinction matters when evaluating vehicles for extreme long-term mileage. TUV data suggests the Touareg ages more like a long-distance cruiser than a fashion-driven SUV. With proper maintenance, this type of engineering strongly correlates with vehicles capable of extremely high mileage. For its class, the Touareg quietly stands out as one of Volkswagen's most overbuilt modern platforms. Volkswagen Golf hatchback. The Volkswagen Golf consistently appears at or better than the TUV average in the mid-age inspection categories. In the 4 to 5 and 6 to 7 year cohorts, where many modern cars begin to accumulate serious defects, the Golf generally holds its ground instead of sliding down the rankings. That consistency is not accidental. This is the stage of a car's life where real engineering quality starts to show. The Golf's strength has never been perfection, but stability across repeated inspection cycles. As Volkswagen's core platform, it benefits from decades of incremental refinement rather than risky radical redesigns. Suspension layouts, braking systems, and structural components are familiar territory for inspectors and mechanics alike. TUV data repeatedly shows that evolutionary engineering ages better than experimental solutions. Another key factor is choice. The Golf has been offered with a wide range of engines and drivetrains, allowing buyers to select proven combinations that perform best long-term. That flexibility reduces the risk of hidden weak points as mileage increases. Combined with solid inspection results, it explains why the Golf remains one of the most durable mass-market cars Volkswagen has ever built. Volkswagen Tiguan. The Volkswagen Tiguan consistently performs better in TUV inspections than many competing family SUVs. In the 4 to 5 and 6 to 7 year age groups, where heavier vehicles often begin to accumulate serious suspension wear, braking defects, and chassis issues, the Tiguan typically records defect rates closer to hatchbacks than to large SUVs. That alone makes it unusual. Most SUVs start to decline sharply in inspection results once weight and mileage catch up. TUV data suggests the Tiguan avoids much of the early structural aging that affects many modern SUVs. A large part of this comes down to configuration and engineering choices. Simpler petrol and diesel engines, especially those without overly complex turbo systems or advanced automatic transmissions, tend to perform far better at inspection time. Fewer stressed systems means fewer critical failures flagged during inspections. Weight management also plays a key role. Compared to larger SUVs, the Tiguan places less long-term strain on suspension components, brakes, wheel bearings, and steering systems. Inspection results repeatedly show that reduced complexity correlates with fewer serious faults as vehicles age. With conservative engine choices and regular maintenance, the Tiguan fits the profile of a family SUV capable of surviving very high mileage without becoming structurally fragile. For buyers who need space but still care about durability, TUV data quietly puts the Tiguan ahead of many trend-driven alternatives. Volkswagen Caddy. The Volkswagen Caddy occupies a unique position in TUV inspection data because it is designed as a working vehicle, not a lifestyle product. Its serious defect rates are not the lowest in the entire Volkswagen lineup, but they remain surprisingly competitive once you consider how these vehicles are actually used. That context matters. Vans are driven harder, loaded heavier, and rarely treated gently. They spend their lives in traffic, on highways, and at full payload, often with minimal downtime. Despite this, the Caddy continues to pass inspections in large numbers, and most failures tend to be predictable wear items rather than structural or drivetrain problems. That distinction is critical when evaluating long-term durability. Fleet usage also plays an important role. Regular servicing, documented maintenance, and scheduled inspections significantly reduce the risk of hidden neglect. TUV inspection trends consistently favor vehicles engineered for work rather than image. The Caddy's strong chassis, conservative suspension design, simple mechanical layouts, and excellent parts availability all point in the same direction. With regular maintenance, the Caddy is one of the Volkswagens most likely to accumulate extremely high mileage simply because it was engineered to work every single day. So what did TUV inspection data actually show us here? Across different segments and age groups, the same pattern keeps repeating. Simple Volkswagens built on proven platforms consistently show fewer serious defects at inspection time. Not because they're exciting, but because they avoid unnecessary complexity. Fewer serious faults mean fewer surprises as mileage climbs. That's why these specific VWs stand out as realistic candidates for reaching 300,000 kilometers with normal maintenance. This isn't about brand loyalty or nostalgia, it's about inspection numbers quietly rewarding conservative engineering. If this kind of data-driven ownership analysis helped you, leave a like and share your experience in the comments. And if you want more videos that cut through marketing and focus on real-world durability, subscribe and check out the other videos on the channel. We'll see you in the next one.